When your horse has a terrible case of mud fever, there's a couple of things you can do beyond topical medications, obviously with the help of your vet. And the first thing would be to clip the area. And a lot of people don't want to clip their horse's feathers. I get that, but it becomes a breeding ground for continued infections when there's moisture and hair and bacteria trapped in those feathers. Generally speaking, we want to keep the lower legs clean and dry. And yes, that is very hard to do with a horse, but have you tried two different products? One is the socks for horses, and it seems weird that you would put a sock on your horse, but this is special fabric. It actually is impregnated with silver, which is known to be a topical help for bacterial and weird skin infections. You can also use welly boots, and these are like raincoats that your horse wears, and they cover even the top of the hoof to help keep everything dry. And you could talk to your vet about a scab removal or remaining protocol. If you've always removed the scabs, maybe take a swing at leaving them. And if you've always left them, maybe get with your vet and find a nice, gentle way to remove them. There are supplements that can boost your horse's skin health. I personally really like omega-3 fatty acids. This is a flax-based product. And speaking of food, work with your vet to determine possible causes for a food allergy. And it could be something in their pasture or it could be something they're eating. You might need to do an elimination diet where you strip the diet down and then you slowly add in one ingredient at a time to see if there's a flare. And talk to your vet about doing some liver blood work, because oftentimes a photosensitivity can be exacerbated by liver problems or a reaction to something like a weed in the field that they've been eating, and that can create mud fever-like symptoms. You might also want to explore the possibility that your horse has CPL, which is chronic progressive lymphedema, and a malfunctioning of the lymph system in the lower legs. And it creates a lot of swelling down there, which expands and cracks the skin, allowing secondary infections to come in. And unfortunately, it's pretty prevalent in drafty breeds like Shires and Clydes. And although mud fever is absolutely frustrating beyond all recognition, there are things that you can do outside of just topical meds that hopefully will help.